Joint on the corner where the big boys play.
Everything's great. Yeah, thanks for asking.
Yeah, very good.
All right, guys. How we doing? Welcome to Muffy's.
Good.
Can I get your order?
Yeah, give me the chicken, bacon, Parmesan cheese dish, please, with a side of fries and, I don't know, a side salad.
Sure. Sounds good. And for you?
Yeah, I'd like to try the Muffy's 7-grain salad, please.
Excellent choice. Just so you guys know, today, 15% of our proceeds are going to be donated to the SPCA. It's SPCA Monday at Muffy's, so a little something we like to do.
Wonderful.
So I'm going to take off. I'll get your orders put in, and
I'll take a water when you get a chance.
Yeah, water, please. Yeah.
Okay. Sounds good. All right, guys. Take care.
That is so nice that they're giving.
I know. It's so nice that they're doing that. You know, they're giving back to the SPCA. It's just so nice. You know, because it makes me feel good and warm inside. Because I love animals. I don't know about you, but I'm an animal lover. It's just, you know, from way back. Yeah.
Okay, here we go, guys. The chicken parm sandwich and Muffy's 7-grain salad. Can I get you guys anything else?
No, but do me a favor, please. Tell the manager that we really appreciate that they're giving money back to the SPCA today. You know, it's just really nice. We really love animals, and we just really appreciate that. It's great. So
Okay.
thanks very much.
Yeah, I'll definitely let her know. It's very kind. All right, enjoy your meal, guys.
Thank you.
What do you think? All right?
Looks good.
Yeah.
So you say you love animals?
Oh yeah, I love animals. OMG, do I love animals. We've had cats and dogs and horses and, you know, we just, everything.
Really?
We had a pet squirrel when we were kids. It was just amazing, yeah. So it's like...
You love animals?
Yeah, I do. It's one of these things.
Truly love animals.
Yes, I truly love animals. I'm telling you.
Then why are you eating one?
Ew.
Check, please.